And we have developed many models in India. Periyar Pura, of course, His Excellency, former President of India, even he addressed in the Karnataka State Assembly, quoting Periyar Pura as a national model. It has connected various connectivity to develop, to keep rural area on par with urban area, providing all the facilities. Then another model, as an university, we have gone for a backward integration. Next, please. Forward integration offering up to postdoc, backward integration right from the rural children, men, women, who are inaccessible for higher education, failed in 10th standard, 12th standard, taken them and given them vocational kind of training. More than 1,000 10th fail, 5th standard pass, 8th standard fail, women, men. They were all converted as a good fitter, carpenter. Even IGNOU considered this as a national model. This is where Periyar Maniamma University is doing a model for both men and women. Then now people all over the world talks about climate change, Copenhagen Treaty, all before. For all of us it is before, all of us it's a big challenge, the global arena. So our leader, our esteemed chancellor suggested what to be done in Periyar Maniamma University. That's where last more than decade and a half we are doing a program on climate change. That is also a model. And then we have established, now energy is a very big crisis, renewable energy. Everywhere, Karnataka, solar power. We have developed all kind of gadgets and research is going on to combat the climate change, keeping the biotechnology ecosystem, involving all the technological front over there. Next, please. And then a technology business incubator, promoting entrepreneurs from underprivileged classes. Many women, they are turned to be an entrepreneur. Now, our extension activities, we must thank, I am here coming to our hero of today, Professor Ravivarma Kumar, in his leadership through Lawyers Forum for Social Justice. Next, please. During the tsunami, we conducted so many relief work. Next, please, next. Yeah, this is in General Hospital, Nagapattinam. A team of lawyers from Bangalore, scientists, public, who are contributed many, and our Periyar Maniamma University jointly work in General Hospital over there. We are given water, we are given beds, because everything washed away by tsunami. That is where Professor Ravivarma Kumar contributed very many things from Bangalore, and our present leader, our esteemed chancellor, led the team. More than 45 days continuously been working. Even I was seeing today, our Honorable Justice Narayanasamy sir is here, the High Court of Karnataka. He was also one of the honorable member during the relief work. This is where we have been doing that work. Next, please. Next. So these are all some of the relief work. So university or education, it is not simply kind of a bookish or knowledge oriented. It is more of creating a stalwarts for the country, the very great statesmen of the country. That is where Periyar Society is producing lot of good statesmen. So here about our institutions, many leaders were talking. What our Honorable former President of India talks about is this institution. The Lone University has empowered villagers through skill-oriented training, provision of finance and provision of market connectivity for their produce. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Then our former Prime Minister, he was addressing. If anyone wants to know how an educational institute should be best run, he must go to Tamil Nadu and study how, under the leadership of Dr. K. Veeramani, how Periyar education institutions are being run. That is where he complimented. And our Honorable Justice, former Justice of Supreme Court, currently Chairperson of Law Commission, Justice A.R. Thiru Lakshmanan, I am glad to notice that students of this college have been consistently bagging all awards. Our students goes with black belts. They are all women engineers, goes with black belts. That is where education is being imparted. So education is instrument of social change. Our earlier speaker was talking. This is where our institution is doing a lot of work. Because honored guests should know how the Lawyers Forum of Social Justice, how Periyar Society and Periyar International, Periyar Maniammai University is associated. That's where I am standing before you. We have our campuses in Delhi, Periyar Center, in Jasola, near Apollo Hospital. Another campus in Chennai, in Egmore, a big campus. Then a Trichy campus, more than 8,000 students. That's where I said pre-KG to PhD. Then another campus, that's a Vallam campus. Of course, to know furthermore, I have also given our website. So this is where our educational institutions framing all the works and in propagating empowerment of underprivileged and particularly women and girls, and thereby we make social justice through education. With this, I am really happy. Our Professor Ravi Verma Kumar, who is a well-wisher of our university, Dr. Sharat Chandra is here, former chairman, Karnataka Pollution Control Board, a great environmentalist. That is where he is connecting lot of brains towards this institution, as mentioned by, it's a very great People's University. That's where our esteemed Chancellor says. So with this, to take care of our own people, to create statesmen, to create egalitarian society, this kind of exercise, particularly education, is an instrument, great instrument. In that sense, even Professor Ravi Verma Kumar is organizing a very great school in Chira. I know how the school is being offered for a very, very poor class communities. That's where, sir, we salute, our salutations to you, our salutations to our leader, and all those who, particularly our compliments to Periyar International, who has instituted very appropriate award at the appropriate time, and all the galaxy of Dians of Social Justice been awarded, and today our Professor Ravi Verma Kumar. We all very much happy and to hear that your services for this country is much more required. We will all be with you and we want to avail your services. With this, I thank the organizers and all the dignitaries for having given an opportunity to share some of my views on this forum. Thank you, sir.